Have you ever heard the saying, muscles are built in the gym but repaired in bed? Here's something even more surprising. After the age of 60, your body can lose up to 1% of muscle mass every single year, even if you're still active. That's not just about strength. It affects balance, energy, independence, and even how well you sleep at night. But what if I told you there are 3 powerful vitamins that, when taken at night, can actually help your body rebuild muscle as you sleep? Yes, while you're resting, your body has the ability to repair, restore, and even strengthen itself, if you give it the right tools, and those tools are not complicated. They're simple, natural nutrients that most people overlook, yet they could make all the difference in your health after 60. Let's talk about why this matters. Muscle isn't just about looking toned or being able to lift weights. For seniors, muscle is directly tied to independence. Strong muscles mean you can get up from a chair easily, climb stairs without fear, carry groceries without strain, and even protect yourself from dangerous falls. Weak muscles, on the other hand, can turn simple daily tasks into exhausting challenges. That's why maintaining muscle after 60 is not optional. It's essential for a long, healthy, and fulfilling life. But here's the problem. As we age, our body's natural repair system slows down. The same recovery that used to happen automatically in your 30s or 40s now requires more support. That's where these 3 vitamins come in. They don't work like magic pills. Instead, they help your body do what it's already designed to do: rebuild, repair, and protect your muscles while you rest at night. Are you curious to know what these vitamins are? Let's walk through each one, step by step. And I promise, the third one might surprise you most of all. Vitamin #1. Vitamin D, the silent muscle protector. Think about this for a moment. How often do you step outside and get real sunlight on your skin? For many seniors, especially those spending more time indoors, the answer is not enough. And yet, vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is one of the most important nutrients for muscle strength. Here's why. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, which strengthens your bones. But what many people don't realize is that vitamin D also activates the muscle fibers you need for balance and strength. Studies show that seniors with low vitamin D are more likely to experience muscle weakness, fatigue, and even falls. Now, why take vitamin D at night? Because when you sleep, your body goes into repair mode. Vitamin D helps regulate hormones, especially testosterone and growth hormone, both of which play a role in preserving and rebuilding muscle. By having vitamin D in your system at night, you're giving your muscles the best chance to recover and grow stronger. So how can you get enough? For some, 15 minutes of sunlight a day is enough, but after 60, your skin is less efficient at producing vitamin D. That's why many seniors benefit from a supplement, especially in the evening. A simple 800 to 2000 IU daily is often recommended, but always check with your doctor to find the right dose for you. Can you picture yourself waking up in the morning feeling steadier on your feet, with more strength in your arms and legs? That's what vitamin D can help with. But vitamin D is only the beginning. The next vitamin is even more directly linked to how your muscles repair while you sleep. Vitamin #2. Vitamin B12, the energy restorer. Do you ever wake up feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep? Or maybe you've noticed tingling in your hands and feet, or a lack of energy during the day. Those could be signs of a vitamin B12 deficiency, which is incredibly common in seniors. Here's the simple truth. Vitamin B12 is essential for your nerves and muscles to communicate. Without enough B12, your muscles don't receive the signals they need from your brain. That means slower reflexes, weaker strength, and more fatigue. But here's the fascinating part. B12 also plays a key role in the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your muscles. And what do your muscles need to recover at night? Oxygen and energy. Without enough B12, your muscles can't repair themselves properly, leaving you weaker over time. Taking B12 in the evening supports overnight recovery. It keeps your energy metabolism active while you sleep, ensuring that your muscles are not just resting but actively rebuilding. Now you might be wondering, why are seniors more likely to lack B12? It's because, with age, the stomach produces less acid, which is needed to absorb this vitamin from food. Even if you eat plenty of fish, eggs, or meat, you might not be absorbing enough. That's why many doctors recommend a B12 supplement, either as a pill, a sublingual drop, or even an injection if levels are very low. Can you imagine going through your day with more energy, sharper focus, and stronger muscles, all because you supported your body at night with enough B12? That's the power of this vitamin. But now we come to the third vitamin, and this one often gets overlooked. Yet it might be the most powerful of all when it comes to rebuilding muscle as you sleep. Vitamin #3. Magnesium, the muscle relaxer and builder. Think of magnesium as your body's nighttime repair crew. While you're asleep, magnesium is hard at work, relaxing your muscles, calming your nerves, and supporting the production of proteins that rebuild muscle tissue. In fact, over 300 processes in your body depend on magnesium, but here's the catch: most seniors don't get nearly enough, and without it, muscles can cramp, recovery slows down, and sleep becomes restless. Why take magnesium at night? Because it has a natural calming effect. It helps regulate melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep cycle, and GABA, a neurotransmitter that quiets your nervous system. Better sleep equals better muscle repair, but magnesium goes even further. It actually boosts protein synthesis, the process that turns the protein you eat into strong, healthy muscle. Without magnesium, your body can't properly use the nutrients you worked so hard to consume during the day. So how can you get magnesium? Leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are great sources. But again, many seniors don't eat enough of these foods daily, so a supplement can help. The best time to take it? Right before bed. Many people notice not just better sleep, but also fewer nighttime leg cramps and more relaxed muscles in the morning. Can you picture yourself lying down at night, your body finally able to rest deeply, and then waking up with stronger, more resilient muscles? That's what magnesium makes possible. Now, let's pause for a moment. Imagine this simple evening routine: a small glass of water with vitamin D, vitamin B12, and magnesium. Nothing complicated, nothing extreme. Just 3 nutrients that work together while you sleep. Vitamin D strengthens and protects your muscle fibers. Vitamin B12 fuels your energy and oxygen delivery. Magnesium repairs and relaxes your muscles for deeper rest. Together, they form a powerful trio, helping your body restore strength, balance, and energy every single night. But here's an important reminder: vitamins are not a replacement for a healthy lifestyle. They're a tool. Pair them with regular movement, like walking, stretching, or light resistance exercise, and a diet rich in protein, and the results can be remarkable. Think about it. What if instead of losing 1% of your muscle mass every year, you could slow it down, or even rebuild some of what was lost? What if every morning you woke up feeling steadier, stronger, and more capable? That's the gift of taking care of your body with the right support. Now let's make this practical. Start by checking your vitamin D levels with a simple blood test. If they're low, consider adding a daily supplement in the evening. Ask your doctor to check your vitamin B12 as well. If you're deficient, correcting it could transform your energy and muscle health. And finally, add magnesium to your nightly routine. Not only will it help your muscles recover, but it may also improve the quality of your sleep. Have you ever tried taking any of these vitamins at night? Many people notice small but powerful changes within a week: more energy in the morning, fewer cramps, better balance, and a renewed sense of vitality. Imagine yourself 3 months from now, walking more confidently, lifting objects more easily, sleeping more soundly. That's not just wishful thinking. That's your body doing what it's naturally capable of, once you give it the right tools. And here's one more thought. Too often, we focus on what we lose with age, but what if instead we focused on what we can still gain: stronger muscles, better balance, more energy, and greater independence? These 3 vitamins are a reminder that even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond, your body is still capable of amazing things. It just needs a little extra support. So tonight, as you prepare for bed, think about this: your body is ready to repair itself. It wants to rebuild. All you have to do is give it the nutrients it needs: vitamin D for strength, vitamin B12 for energy, magnesium for repair and deep rest. Together, they form a simple but powerful routine that can help you wake up tomorrow stronger than today.